Are you worried that your AI avatar does not look like you? Do not worry, my friend. In few seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate your own AI avatar that looks exactly like you. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel now. Subscribe, please. Oh yeah, subscribe to Beloved Technology. Joe.
Right, in few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an AI avatar of yourself that looks exactly like you. So the first step is to type Flow AI on your Chrome browser. So, and the first result will be what we are looking for. But the good news is you can now use Flow AI on your phone application. You no longer need to come to the browser to do that again. So we are going to be clicking on this one, so it will redirect us back to Google Play Store. So if you have not downloaded it before or installed it, you have to install it, but I have already installed mine, except they ask me to update. All right, let me update. So after you have finished installing your own, you can now open Google Flow AI. It's called Google Flow Beta on the application on Google Play, and it's going to open it for you. If you have not worked before, you are going to see a page like this, and then you click on Create with Google Play Store. So let me switch to use an email that I've not used before. So let me use this one here. Now after doing that, you just click on Continue as Victor. So this is what you're going to see. If you are using it for the first time, you're going to click on Get Started, and then it's going to open it for you. So now the next thing is for you to click on the top, this icon of your profile icon at the top right corner. You are going to click on it. So if you have not created an avatar before, you will see Create Avatar. But if you have done it before, you see Manage Avatar. So I'm going to click on Create Avatar. So after clicking on Create Avatar, don't forget that this will capture your face and record your voice. So you must be in an environment where there is no noise, and it must be, your face must be clear and well lit. So I'm going to click on Get Started, and let's wait for it. So after clicking on Get Started, so you are going to say you agree, and then you are going to click on Next.
Okay, so that's me anyway. I'm going to be asked to save some few figures, and I'll be asked to turn my head left, right, and look straight. So after that, the AI is going to process my video, and it's going to process my video, and then my AI avatar will be ready in few seconds. So let's see.
I'm done. Then you are done. So now that our avatar is created, how do we now use of it? Let's go. So all we have to do is to click on New in this place. So after clicking on New, so I'm going to, so if you have followed my tutorial before, I've showed you so many ways on how you can convert your image to video, but in this one, we are not converting any image to video. We have created our own AI avatar to talk exactly like us. So what we are going to do is to come here, and we're going to do the prompting by ourselves. You will start with this art symbol. You start with art, and once you put out art me, then you now say make me. Let me go back again. Make me say happy. So let us send it and see the result now. In few seconds, it's going to generate. Don't forget, this is completely free, no subscription. Just register with your email address, and then you go to the top right corner, and then you create your own avatar. Simple and short. Very good. Let's play it and see how it's going to work. Did it look like me? You yourself can be the judge of it. Maybe better than me. Maybe like me.
Hello. In a few seconds, I'm going to show you how to generate your own avatar video that looks exactly like you.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that. Subscribe now so you can get notified of our next tutorial on AI and other tech tricks. If you don't want to miss out, subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.